Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this TOZO S5 smartwatch. So here's everything that comes in the box. We get a charging cable, the band, and here's the actual watch. So let's take the cover off. Whoops, be careful. Let's put the band on. So let's take this, there's these little pins, and there's this little lever right here we can use to put it on. So put one side in and flip, it's easier if you flip it over. Put one side in, then grab that little pin and pull it towards the center, and that should allow that little pin to snap into place. Now let's do the same with the other one. Turn it upside down, put one side in, there's a little hole right there. Pull that little lever towards the center, and then push it in, and it should find the hole. Oops. This side's a little trickier. Yeah, find that hole. Pull the pin. There. Now the watch band is installed. Next, we're going to want to charge it. So this cable will magnetically stick like that. Those two little pins will line up with those little connectors right there. Now it will only go one way. You can't force it. It won't want to stick. The magnets will repulse. We want to plug this into a wall charger, USB-A wall charger. Okay, so as soon as you plug it in and start charging it, the screen comes on. Looks like it comes with 94% charge. Okay, so you want to make sure that it's not charging whenever you're trying to pair it. So I've got it charging, so take the charging cable off. Now open the TOZO app, turn your Bluetooth on. It should search and find this, click connect, and you'll have to click connect on here. And now you can change the face of the watch. So it looks really cool. Different things we can do. It's very clear. Let's go ahead and put it on. Yeah, it fits really nice. It's got a heart rate sensor. So it does show the watch face whenever you turn your arm. So this is really cool. Settings. Yeah, this looks really nice. So it does have health monitoring. It is waterproof. You can have it track different exercises. You can change the face of the watch to all kinds of different ones in the app. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.